inflation rate steady at 45 liters.
Cross-reference that with the holographic data visualization. We need to confirm the molecular stability.
Our Q3 numbers are looking very strong.
This spike here in May, was that driven by the new campaign?
Yes, that aligns with the influencer push we did.
Yeah.
Total are grown. In the early morning mist, workers carefully tap the rubber trees. This milky white latex is the
This state-of-the-art facility utilizes advanced robotics to apply unique textures and branding.
Open the package carefully. Place the condom on the tip, pinch the air out of the end, and roll it smoothly down to the base.
Ensure these are ready for immediate dispatch. We have a tight deadline on this shipment manifest.
Look at the data here. The new compound is performing well above the baseline.
Yes, the elasticity results are very encouraging.
We're approaching max pressure on sample A.
50.5. Okay, recorded. Is this the right bin for the yellow latex?
Yes, that one is correct. Keep up the good work.
The feedback on the new line is outstanding, especially in this sector.
Absolutely. The data clearly indicates a strong market acceptance among the target group.
The wait is finally over. This is Vita Lux.
Experience the difference. Experience true intimacy without compromise.
foil packet is easy to open, but the branding feels a bit sterile.
I agree. The typography could be bolder.
Yeah.
So the tactile experience is good, but the visual needs work.
The elasticity readings are significantly improved with the new compound.
Yes, and the durability score is holding steady.
Introducing the new standard in protection. Sleek, modern, essential.
Emerging from the latex bath, the glass molds begin a precise rotation, ensuring a perfectly uniform coating in this sterile environment.